Hello, my name is Kira Wozniak. I'm the CEO of Doula Family Legacy Certification, and we deliver. For over 3 generations and 40 years, we've served over 4,000 families and delivered over 1,200 babies in the Midwest territory. Starting with my mother to myself, and then myself to my daughters and grandchildren. We have had the privilege to be in the sacred space for families who are delivering their babies, whether it was at home, hospitals, or birth centers. So if you have thought about becoming a doula or a midwifery assistant or beyond, our program takes the real life experiences to be professionally trained as a birth and postpartum doula, in which also with the programs for the newborn care, lactation consulting, placenta encapsulation, we deliver. We have a program called the Beth Geils Scholarship Program. You see, my oldest is a midwife and she passed away in October. And we have been able to presently offered up to $38,000 in scholarships. There is no reason that a mom should ever go without a professional support of a doula. The impact that you make with touching the life of one family lasts a lifetime of memories. So visit our website, www.doulafamilycertification.com. Learn all about who we are and why we really are the doula family. It's a lifestyle for us. It's not a job. It's a passion. We hosted an unwed mom's ministry in our home for years. You see, 3 days isn't enough for a mom to make that life-changing decision. And I'm proud to say that all the babies are still with their birth moms. And then we are also the host for the largest birthing community on LinkedIn. So we have professionals who can reach out and you can have an experience with them. If you have a question, they're a lifeline. You can tap into our community. We are the doula family. And I welcome you. Perhaps you have thought of becoming a doula. Check us out. Thank you.